You are welcome once again to Ciquence Maths. We have this mathematical problem before us. That's 4 exponent A equal to 400. And we are to find the value of A. So we take log on both sides. So we have log 4 exponent A equal to log 400. Good. From identities of logarithm, can bring the A down. So it become A log 4 equal to log 400. Then to find the value of A, we divide both sides by log 4. We get A equal to log 400 divided by log 4. Now, this is the same as log 4 times 100 divided by log 4. We should note that log A times B is the same as log A plus log B. So we should take note of this. Then we will apply it to the numerator of the value of A. So we have A equal to log 4 plus log 100, all divided by log 4. And this can be written as A equal to log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 100 divided by log 4. Good. So you can see that log 4 divided by log 4 is 1. So we have A equal to 1 plus log 100 divided by log 4. Now we can simplify the log 100. It becomes A equal to 1 plus the log 100 can be written as 10 exponent 2 or 10 square divided by log 2 square. So it becomes A equal to 1 plus 2 log 10 divided by 2 log 2. So our A is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 2. Good. So here our A is written as 1 plus log. The 10 can be written as 2 times 5 divided by log 2. So we proceed to simplify the numerator. So we have A equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5, all divided by log 2. Then we can split the denominator once again. So we have A equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. We have A equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by 2. So we have A equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by 2. So we should note this identity. should note this identity. Okay, so note, if you have log a divided by log b is the same as log a base b. Good. Log of a base b. We are going to apply this to the value of a. So we have a equal to 2 plus, we have log 5 divided by 2 becomes log 5 base 2. So this becomes the value of a. The value of a. Now let's verify. Let's verify and see whether the value of a, which is 2 plus log 5 base 2, is correct. Good. So our question is 4 exponent a equal to 400. So wherever we see a, we put in the value of a, which is 2 plus log 5 base 2. Good. So this becomes 4 exponent 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 400. So the assertion will be this. Now we apply the identity. If you have 4 exponent 2 plus log 5 base 2, it's the same as 4 square times 4 exponent log 5 base 2 equal to 400. Good. So you can still simplify. You can so simplifying this, we have the 4 square, which is 16, and then the 4 can be reduced to 2 square. Good. So 2 square exponent log 5 base 2. We want to see whether it's 400. So we have 16 plus. Then if an indices is raised to another exponent, the exponents multiply themselves. Okay, so we have 2 exponent 2 log 5 base 2. So we have 16 times 2 exponent log 5 square base 2. So it becomes 16 times 2 log 25 exponent log 25 base 2 equal to 400. Now we have the identity. Let's note this identity. If you have a exponent log b base a, since the bases are the same, the base of the indices and the log are the same, we get the value to be b. So we apply it here. So we have 16 and this will be 25 because the bases are 2. So we want to see whether it's the same as the right hand side. So 16 times 25 will give us 400, which is left hand side equal to the right hand side. Therefore, the value for a, our value for a is 2 plus log 5 base 2. That will be our final answer. The value for a. Thank you very much. Once again, this is Ciquence Maths. Kindly subscribe to this channel, then click the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to know it. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. Then we'll find time to respond to your questions at the comment section. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.